retired.
Yeah, she killed the last two, so that's it.
Killed the whole fucking family. The cousins, everybody. I know they need to get it. Desiree, are you going to get off the phone or are you going to go in there with Dad for about an hour or so?
I'm going with him for about an hour.
You better come back before fucking daylight. When Dad says he's ready to lay down, either you lay down or you come in here and go to sleep.
That's right.
And you do it calmly and quietly. She said she was going over for hours. I don't know, come back to the inside.
For hours. What's this one wrong right there? It's kind of weird. Like, what's there a corn wrong right there? Like,
Did you watch the movie the first time? Because I'm not sitting there watching it the third time. So if you didn't pay attention one of the two times, I can't help you.